Hello and welcome to the brief guide on how to use the bulk optimizer feature in the SEOKart app. From the left-hand side menu panel, navigate to the bulk optimizer feature. This will open a screen that allows you to optimize your store's title tags, meta descriptions, and alt texts in bulk. Let's begin with the bulk optimization of products' title tags. You'll notice various dynamic labels such as product name, SKU, price, currency, and so on. To start with the bulk optimization, simply select the label you wish to add by clicking on it. Let's choose product name, add a separator, and your brand name. A live preview is available on the right side of the screen, showing how the modified title tags will appear. Next, go to the Update button and click on the Save and Update All Blank option. You also have the option to update all, but we recommend updating only blanks using the bulk optimizer. When prompted, select Yes. The status of your request will be displayed as pending. It will be completed within a few minutes to a few hours, depending upon the total count of the products. The cruise control feature can be activated to automatically optimize the title tags of new pages in your store. Similarly, you can also optimize meta descriptions and alt text of your store's pages. Follow the same steps and choose the given labels. Let's create a meta description template like buy your product name at the best pricing of USD, the price label, add your store name, and shop now. After previewing and confirming the changes, proceed with Save and Update All Blanks. When prompted, select Yes. The status of your request will be displayed as pending. It will be completed within a few minutes to a few hours, depending upon the total count of the products. You can activate the cruise control feature to automatically optimize the meta descriptions of new pages in your store. You can also view the bulk optimizer history and cruise control history for quick monitoring of your bulk optimization requests. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use the bulk optimizer feature in the SEOKart app.